Hi, this is Ahmed Kamal. Today we will go through data visualization in XLMiner and we will cover some charts. Let's start with the data set we have now here, shampoo sales, and we will select the data and then we go to Explore, Chart Wizard. Here we have different options for the chart. Let's start with the line chart because here we have a time series and we need really to see overview of the data. We hit next. What we need to show here is for shampoo sales, we select shampoo sales and then next. And what we need here is really we need month by month to see it and then next and then finish here. So this is the chart we get. And you see that starting from the first time series here, January 95, we see the sales, and then we see the fluctuation of the sales. So you see it gives a clear idea about the data, and we see here that for this month, the data was the highest one, and it gives you a general overview of the time series of the sales. We can also here, if we have like more options like years or quarters, we can also shift here and change this axis. So this is the first chart. I will take another data set. We take another data set here for this file and we have different data, and we will try also to explore chart wizard, and we will cover here bar chart. We have different options here, and in the axis Y we need to see the total value. And what we need to see, total value, we need to see the one for the remodel house to see what the value for each option is. We hit next, next, and finish here. So you see here, we see the data for remodeling, okay, and you see that none, old, and recent. But we need to be careful. You need to see what this option is. It shows count total. So what we need to select, total value, and then we get another option to select if we need percentage, maximum amount, minimum, the total amount. What I will select here is the median, and we see that this is the median value for the house if no remodeling, if it is old house or it is recent remodeled. So this really gives a good overview of the data. Now also, if you have other options, you can here select other variables. Let's say I need to see really, does it matter if the house has different bedrooms? We'll select the bedrooms and we see really it makes sense that if a house has 9 bedrooms, we see the value is becoming higher. The same if it is with lower bedrooms. Also, you can select how many full bath here and any other options as well. Now we will talk about another data set, which is Boston housing, and we will cover other charts. So we go again to data mining. We select Explore, Chart Wizard, and what we will take is this time is box plot. Next, and here really we need we have different options. I will select the median value here, and I will select this option or any other option to see the relationship, and then finish. This is what we see here. It is an interesting chart where we see the values here in y-axis here, axis, and also we see the different options here. So, and why it is so useful? Because you can see here the max value, and these two, if it was 0, which is not on the river, and also which 1 beside the river, we see that they have the same maximum value, and but they have different lower value. So the house, which is not close to the river, we see it has lower value. The same for the houses near the river, we see that they are more than 10,000 here. So also, when we select this rectangle here, we see that we get some data. And that data is the first one. It tells us about the 75 percentile, and we see it is here. So that is the 75, and it goes to this line. Also, we can see the 25th as well, which is here of the data. We see the median, we see the mean, and also we can look into the data. So the same here, we can notice that the median and also the mean for this chart. Let's run another chart again for the same data set. We go to Explore, Chart Wizard, and this time we will run a scatter plot, and we will select this here variable, and also we will select the horizontal variable, number of rooms, or actually let's select this one here, and we have also, even whatever we select now, we can actually change once we have the chart open and running. So this is also what we see here, and we see the scattered value, and we have different options to change and see other values as well, and based on the inputs and the variable inputs. Let's talk about another chart type. We go again to Explore, Chart Wizard, and let's cover histogram chart type. Next, we select frequency, and then let's select here this horizontal axis. Next, and finish. What we see here is like the values from 8 to 11. We see that this is the percentage for this group. Also, we see the group from 20 to 23, that is the percentage. It is a useful report to see the data in grouped in like a range. Thank you for watching.